In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a mass text on Square Appointments. Now, the first thing you have to do on your dashboard, you want to go to the Customers tab over here on the left, and you want to click on Customers and then Marketing. Inside Marketing, you want to go to Campaigns, and this is basically where you can create a campaign, and then from here, of course, send a mass text or email or whatever. So I'm going to click on Create Campaign, and of course, you can select email, text, receipt, or Facebook. So of course, if you want a text message, you're going to have your account verified, which right now I don't because that's of course my demo account. And you can also do email or whatever you want. I'm going to do email right now because I can do this right now, but of course text message is going to be pretty much the same process. So click on it and click on next. Whenever you do this, wait for a few seconds. There we go. Here you can choose a campaign. You can go and select whatever you want, like Made with AI over here. I'm gonna go to over here and just do send a quick update under update and engage, and then click on design top right. Here you can of course create your design, so whatever you want, blocks, themes, style. You can take as much time as you need to actually customize this. I'm just going to type in, for example, welcome to our store or something like this. There we go, and we're gonna leave it like that. And of course, you can customize again as much as you wish. I'm just going to leave it to not waste your time. Then I'm gonna click on select audience, top right. Here you want to select your audience. You can do custom or all customers, and you'll see the total audience number. Then you can go and click on review campaign, top right. And if everything looks good, you'll be able to basically click on send now. And that's really all you have to do to basically send a mass text or email on Square Appointments. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.